Bienvenue à la semaine du 1er juin au 5 juin, lundi à vendredi. Welcome, Oceanside Otters. Some of you I will see this week in class, and others you will be continuing to do your distance learning from home. This week in our first must-dos, for IXL, we're going to do a review of subtraction for grade 1 and grade 2. I noticed that some friends have not been working on their math online. Please make every effort to do some of those activities. They're very important for building in grade 1 and grade 2. In literacy, we have Introduction to Plot. We're going to watch the video Les Trois Petits Cochons again, although it is a different video from the first one. And as you are listening, I want you to think about who is the characters in the story? Where is the story taking place? And what is the problem? So we're going to think about les personnages, le lieu, et le problème. And when you are done doing that, we will complete the sequence of story sheet. In our Zoom session this week, I will introduce our new sound of and review and and review some new vocabulary words. There is a crossword and a fill-in-the-blank sheet as well. If you are coming back to class, there is no need to print these sheets, as I will be doing these activities in class with your child. For next this week, we have estimation and graphing. I will be doing this activity in class. If you are at home, feel free to do it as well. How many jelly bellies do you think will fit in the circle? How many actually fit in the circle? And using the graph, show how many of each color you had. And this will be found on slide 14. For literacy, we have read the sight words and complete the activities. And for next this week, it's je lis. Problem solving, if you would like, there are 2 problem solving questions using money. And for extras in literacy, click this link. It'll take you to listen and sing along songs. And in class this week, we are going to try a painted glue sun catcher. Thank you, Alicia, for this wonderful link. As always, you can find our YouTube link by clicking here. Our office hours on Zoom this week have changed because of the students coming back to school. The new day will be on Thursday, but the same times will be 9 and 10. Guided lesson number 1. Le problème d'une histoire. On a le début d'une histoire, le milieu et la fin. Ou bien d'abord, ensuite, puis, enfin. Ou, premièrement, ensuite, finalement. These are all good starters on creating a story. So we have first, next, then last. In the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. First, then, finally. All great words to start connecting your ideas when you are writing a story. So the plot is the series of events in a story. Beginning to middle, middle to end. The plot of the story is what has happened. The plot is the journey. The plot is the fun. The plot is the problem and the solution. Alors ici, les amis, le problème dans les 3 petits cochons, c'est que les maisons des 2 premiers cochons étaient trop faibles. Alors le méchant loup les a détruits. La résolution? La maison de briques était solide. Quand le méchant loup ne pouvait pas la faire tomber, il est descendu par la cheminée. Puis, il est tombé dans l'eau bouillante. So here we have the problem and the solution. For parents, here it is in English, what I was just talking about, so you feel free to review this slide at home. So when we think of a problem, there's always a solution. So if the dog gets dirty, give the dog a bath. Chien qui est sale, on lui donne un bain. Voici les enfants qui ont froid. Si les enfants ont froid, quelle est la solution? On leur donne du chocolat chaud. Sequence of a story. We will be doing this activity in class. It's based on Les Trois Petits Cochons. And what we will do is you will color the pictures, you will cut them, and then you will paste them in the correct order. It says on the sentence strip that is not necessary. Just putting it on any paper is fine. And this is a good activity for helping students understand parts of a story and how they work together. Guided lesson number 2. Consonne avec les sons est comme planète et est comme tête. I read, you read. Je lis, tu lis. C'est la fête. Tout le monde crie. C'est la fête. Vite les chapeaux. Sur la tête. Venez tous frères, père et mère, aussi les grands-mères et les grands-pères. Musique et gâteau pour les enfants, ce sera très amusant. Les mots avec les sons et est. La forêt, une pêche, une fenêtre, une tête, une règle, la rivière, une chèvre, être. You can see that accent after my slide thing goes away there. Après, très. This week's activities are la consigne à trous. Écris les mots qui manquent pour compléter la consigne. Using the poem, please complete the words that are missing. Aussi, on a cherche les mots. Voici les mots en bas et il faut les chercher dans la grille. So it's just a little word search. Guided lesson number 3, les mots usuels. There are only 4 words this week because we're doing it in a different type of activity. Faire, and then you will write the word in these boxes, being mindful of letter formation. Fille, same thing, you will write the word here, but you will not have the boxes, you will just print it between the lines. Leur, lui. So again, it's faire, fille, leur, lui. Guided lesson number 4, les mathématiques. We have our estimation activity. This week we have a video by Sid the Science Kid at Jim Henderson Company. And as you can see here, we have estimate using Jelly Bellies. And again, this activity will be done in class if you are coming back on Monday and Tuesday. Lego challenge cards. This week we have build an animal, build something with one hand, build something in 1 minute, or build something using only red Lego. And I want to thank very much to Avery who sent in her crystal experiment here, as well as she did some Lego challenge this week. So thank you, Avery, for the great pictures. And remember, happiness is seeing the smile on a child's face as they learn. Thank you very much for all you do at home, and I'm looking forward to seeing some on Monday, and I'm looking forward to connecting with the others on Zoom on Thursday.